Amber Alert, I knew it, and I was just watching regular show in some way. And this is in the middle when I'm in class right now, bruh.
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida at 1:49 p.m. on Saturday, 2020, effective until 3:49 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Randy Kenyon, who last seen in the area of the 7,800 block of North Bay Shore Drive in Miami, Florida. Randy has her hair styled in box braids. The child may be in the company of an unidentified white male. They may be traveling in a white van. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Miami Police Department at 305-603-6300 or 911-Flamber.
And I'm still waiting in class so I can be let inside, and now this just appeared on my phone and on the TV. Nice.